It's towards the town. Sante. Hi. What's up with this guy? Really? There's another shop. So right here we have like a junction, and I want you to see, guys, like, see how it looks like. You see, it looks like a junction. So right here we are at Bomani. Okay, at Bomani, and I'm gonna show you around how it looks like in Kwale. Right now the climate is really good, but towards the evening it's normally cold, I tell you. We have shops everywhere we have shops, but only on this area because it's towards the town. Sante. So this is how the area looks like. People around here are quite friendly. They are saying hi. Yeah. I want to show you around. The lighting is quite bright right now, but right here it's clear. Yeah, as you can see, people are also passing. They are from working, they're heading to their jobs. Some of them are still at work. Oh my God, they're so damn friendly. This is a different area. Tell me where you are watching from. I would like to know where you're watching from. Right now I am standing somewhere in Kwale, showcasing you around how it looks like. Okay, stay tuned for more content. There's no much traffic right now. Okay, let us see this. See that? This is how it looks like. Hi. Okay. There are kids right over here. There's a school. Okay. Wait. Let me show you where the damn school is right now. That is where the school is from, okay? But we are not focusing on the kids. We are focusing on the streets of Kwale. I do remember this route because one of my drivers took me through this route. And there's one thing that I have learned is that around this area is so peaceful. And the other thing that I've also learned is you should really teach yourself how to live with people each and every single day. I do understand there are at times whereby you never get along with your neighbors. You quarrel with them, your friends, you can't get along. But let me tell you, I've learned that we need each other each and every time. The guy is saying hi. I don't know if they can see him. There's a hardware over there. He's saying hi. And if you can see, there's a mother and a kid behind me, okay? So, back to what I was saying. As a 21-year-old, I've learned that you should really learn how to live with people well. Be it the kids, be it adults, you know? Damn. There is a time I could never get this point very well. But anyway, it really takes time for a person to mature and to become an adult, so that you can understand each and every point of life. Damn, there are really different stages in life whereby it needs you to change your way of thinking, how you carry yourself, so that you can be able to carry yourself differently. Yeah. And if you're watching this and you like this type of content, don't forget to say hi in the comment section below. And I'd like to really know where you're watching from. My name is Becky, and I really love you so much. You know, making these videos really takes a lot of time, and a sub up will be really appreciated. Yeah. So right now we are still in KWALE, Bomani. Okay? And we are heading to KWALE town so that we can get a matatu to Kombani. So stay tuned. Just watch the activities that are going on here in the street, right? And I've also noticed that the boda guys really charge an amount that is affordable for you, as compared to Diani. The motorbikes over there really overcharge. For example, if it's a distance of like a 15 minutes ride, in KWALE Bomani they only charge you 50 shillings. But in Konamusa, they charge you 150. Now, I always think it's because the areas are different. Even if the fuel cost is high, you know, the areas are really different around here, okay? And, okay, right now we are at this garden. And it looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful, man. We are now close to the town, okay? Yeah, KWALE County Public Service Board. You can see it. Yeah, I'm here today to show you around. Tell me what you can notice that is familiar for you. Have you been to this place before? Comment down in the comment in the section down below. Okay? Yeah, it's quite busy right now. The kids are from school. Wow, it's so good vlogging by the way around here. This is how this place looks like. It's so green. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god. It looks so good, okay? That's the view from that angle. So now we can continue walking, okay? I need you to soak in all the details, so that whenever you're planning to come to KWALE, you're just ready. You have all the details needed, you know, the map, you know? Yeah, it's good to be planned.